You may have saw our YouTube short video where this Winchester 1897 trench gun came in for a stock repair. Initially, we thought this gun was too good to be true, that it was either faked or refinished based on condition. After further examination, we found some documents to back that up. This is an original receipt from a U.S. postal money order dated November 1958 for $42.50. Upon removing the paper clip, the documents are stained where it hasn't been touched since it was put on there. Carefully unfolding this tattered document here, it is a receipt where the Railway Express Agency purchased this gun for $35, and with shipping, handling, all the fees and the money order, the grand total came to a whopping $42.50. Now, I don't know about you, but I'd like to buy a few of these for $42.50. I asked Mr. Swartz after showing him these documents. He said since 50 years of working on guns every day, the most he's found is a hunting license. We use Acroglass to fix this portion of the wood that was busted out here. That's a two-part mixture. If it's suitable for glass bedding, it's suitable for wood repairs. Always had great luck with it. The stock will break somewhere else instead of where you repaired it if you do it properly.